Eric, and today I'm gonna talk about the problems about the nuclear power plant. First, I'm gonna give you basic information of the nuclear, and next I will talk about the problems of the nuclear power plant, and third I'm gonna talk about the solutions to this. And firstly, nuclear was first founded by Marie Curie, and it looks like that, like it is rock. And nuclear should be actually called uranium, and inside the uranium rock there are very small radioactive elements called uranium 235 and the neutron, and this is the uranium 235, and these small dots are the neutrons. And when they crash like this video, they cause a very high temperature explosion, and it causes very hot heat, and it divides into two. And when this happens, and you could see like this, this uranium 235, and that is uranium 235, and that is the neutron. And the consequence of this thing is called the nuclear fission. And the heat caused by the nuclear fission is used to turn the turbine, which is over here. And as you can see, there are two kinds of the nuclear reactors, which are the boiling water reactor and the pressured water reactor. And boiling water are widely used, and now I'm going to tell you the method of how it works. Firstly, there are some kind of electricity used over here, and it causes the condenser to like lower the temperature, and this reactor vessels cause a high temperature heat, and then the heat there is a water, and the heat boils the water and causes some vapors, and the vapors are used to spin the turbine, and the turbine, the turbine spins, and then the generator works, and the generator makes electricity. And however, these kind of reactors have a critical problem. Before I talk about the problem, I gotta tell you the story of the Chernobyl accident. Chernobyl is a city located in Ukraine, and there was a big power plant, and the power plant had a potential danger of exploding. And the first reason why it had a danger is that it was built every year, so it is like 12 months, and this was a real problem because it made the nuclear reactor have some missing parts that could protect the reactors. And the second reason is that the danger that the charger was the Soviet Union. They used the RBMK reactor, which had a risk of exploding. And when a power plant explodes, it is so dangerous that it is the same as the nuclear bomb. And actually, when the Chernobyl accident was almost like 400 times bigger and danger than the Hiroshima bomb. And now you may notice the danger of the power plant. Power plants are very weak to the heat, so they need the control rods and the condenser, and the power plants, the reactor vessel and the containment may melt if the heat is too high. And to protect from being the nuclear plant, has the control rods and the condenser. And but when the temperature is super high, then the control rods will not work and result an explosion. To prevent these disasters, there are no better solution than just stopping the reactors. And now in Korea, there are 24 of the nuclear power plants, and some people say that this is a problem because they cannot produce enough energy, but it is not actually a problem because there are plenty of other reactors like the steam power plant and hydroelectric power generation, and we could save the earth by preventing those explosions. Thank you.